Hello everyone, it's Abdul Malik Shandodi with me Adil Hinai. Today we're going to talk about ball heating solution. Going over the overview, what we're going to talk about in this presentation is introduction, type of ball heating system, energy efficiency in ball heating, environmental impact and sustainability, cost analysis and economic consideration, choosing the right heating solution for different pool types, case study for practical implementation, future trends and innovations. First thing, introduction is a swimming pool is immensely desired for both commercial and residential building and bring with it facilities for recreation, healthcare, and wellness. However, during sustainably cold weather in or off seasons, unheated pool water may be too cold to be uncomfortable. Various heaters aim to keep pool water in ideal swimming temperature range. Heating pool is energy intensive and important process. The different type of pool heating system are assessed to relation to performance, energy efficiency, cost, and sustainability. Moving to the type of heating system, we're going to talk about electric heaters, gas heaters, solar heaters, and heat pumps. Electric ball heaters. An electric resistance heater functions similar to cathode. When its electric current is passed through the resisting heating elements, water pumped through the system is heated. It's ideal for small to medium-sized residential pool and spas. Initial is simple and compact design, usually low cost, and some disadvantages high operation cost due to electricity composition is efficient for large pools or regular use. Moving to the gas pool heaters. Gas heaters use methane for burning the burning combustion chamber, then heat water while passing through the soil of cooper. It's ideal for commercial swimming pools, baths, drinking water in hurry. Some advantages its main reason for attractiveness, it's heat heater water, regardless for temperature amendments, and it's good for initial intermittent heatings. Some disadvantages it produces high carbon emission, ever rising cost of fuel, and less sustainable with the time. Solar pool heaters is a solar collaboration absorbs solar energy for transfer the heat pool water. This system includes solar panels, control values, and pumps. It's best for region with adapted sunlight. It's low operational cost, environmentally friendly, and reduced carbon footprint. And disadvantage is high initial cost, space requirement for panel weather dependent. Last one is the heat pumps, which is extract heat from the emitted air using refrigeration cycles similar to air conditioner in reverse. This heat is then transferred to pool water. It's ideal for purpose through the year and in moderate climates. Its low energy compositions, longer lifespan between 10 to 20 years, and energy efficiency with temperature above 50 Fahrenheit. It has some disadvantages with slow heating rate, high initial cost, and less effectiveness heater during the cold weather. Moving into energy efficiency consideration is efficiency central to heating system selection. Key performance for indicators include coefficient of performance COP BTU per kilowatt per hour. This is the table that shows the comparison between systems and COP energy sources and operational efficiency. Environmental impact and sustainability is another major concern for consumer today for decreasing the carbon footprint for heat pools. Therefore, this section will elaborate for environmental impact for these systems to other alternative ventling for sustainability. The carbon footprint for pool heaters mainly come from fossil fuel using energy, gas, and electricity. Carbon is emitted during this usage, while it bears environment effect that can be associated with solar and heat pump system are relatively low.
I'm going to take over from here, starting with the economic analysis. Economical evolution of heating systems in swimming pools. This section deals with the analysis of heating the pool, the economical way from installation to operation cost in the long run. Cost of installation and initial investment. Initial cost of pool heaters is huge. Gas heaters tend to have small installation cost, while solar and heat pump systems typically will require larger investments at the beginning, but will result in savings from then going to the future. Long-term costs of operation. One of the big considerations of running an above-ground swimming pool heater system is the cost of running it forever. Gas heaters are way up there uh, in fuel to have to burn, while solar systems have very little in cost after the initial installation. Heat pumps generally consume a little more energy, making it less expensive to operate. The return on investment (ROI). It will put in perspective the ROI of each of them of heating this heating solution based on energy consumed, maintenance incurred, and saving mix over the year. Here are two tables. The upper one shows installation cost. On your left hand, the heater type, and then the initial cost for each of them, and the lifespan, how many years does each one consume. And the other table shows the operation cost annually per year. And here I'm going to talk about choosing the right heater. Heating needs to vary from one swimming pool to another, depending on use, location, and size. Therefore, this section guides consumer to select the best heating system ideal for their needs. Residential pools versus commercial pools. Generally, residential pools are small and used less often, while commercial pools are increased used, needing larger heating systems. Therefore, gas or heat pump systems may apply better to larger commercial pools, while residential pools can be solar heated for maximum efficiency. Climate geographical considerations. In a warmer climate, solar pool heaters may be the most cost-effective and sustainable opportunity. Therefore, heat pumps or gas heaters would be most suited for cooler climates. Pool size and use. Big pools need a powerful heating system. This section highlights how the frequency of usage and sizing may influence the choice of heating system. Here's a table showing each criteria with the best choice of the heaters. Moving to the case studies and practical applications around the world. As the first example is hotel in Dubai, which is heat pump that is indoor heated pool operating year-round. Cut heating bills by 50% using a high efficiency heat pump. And here's another example which is residential pool in Muscat, Oman, that is solar, which is 15 meter cube pool heated using solar collectors, using energy savings around 90% compared to electric, and ROI achieved in 5 years. And the last example is SPA in London, that is gas heater, used gas heating for rapid warming and chosen for speed despite high operation costs. For future trends and innovations, hybrid heating system, that is these systems combine solar energy with heat pumps or gas or maybe both. And second one is smart pool controls. This can be remotely controlled for temperature settings and have automation based on the weather. The third one is OCO certified materials. That is sometimes also called green materials are pumps, pipes, and filters made through low impact manufacturing. And the last one is AI optimization. That is that does change energy use in real time, aided by algorithms. And to wrap up with, heating and a swimming pool should strike a balance between user comfort, cost effectiveness, and environmental responsibility. While gas and electric heaters offer quick solutions, they come with a high running cost and environmental drawbacks. Solar systems and heat pumps, although requiring higher initial investment, provide excellent long-term savings and sustainability benefits. Ultimately, the right system depends on the user's climate, usage pattern, pool size, and environmental values. With advancing technology and growing emphasis on energy efficiency The future of pool heating lies in smart, sustainable systems. And here are our references for our presentation. And thank you for listening.